Okay, now back to this laptop, which is HP 360 Spectre, and you can turn it 360 degree. Here you will see, let's see from the bottom, here are two speakers and then one speaker. I think this is for ventilation and all. But when we go inside, and by the way, these are the hinges which will make it 360 degrees. So this is Spectre 360. So we can turn it. I'll just put this aside. Now, hold your breath. So this is something that makes it really amazing thing. And can you see the corners here? So these are the other cut technology corners, and it is, they say, single cut aluminium sheet without any joint. And now hold your breath. I'm going to switch it on, which I have yet to figure out where to switch it on from, but yeah. And so see the lights on the side of tabs, on the side of keypads. So these lights from probably here you'll able to see. Okay, now it's just switching on. Here is something, I'll have to increase the light of this. It says just a moment. So just a moment.
We'll sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to United Kingdom. Is that correct?
Yes. Okay, now welcome back. So this thing was asking me, is it UK? So I'm going to say yes. Where to say it? Yes. You see the touch option is so amazing. So it says just a moment.
Your keyboard is set to United Kingdom. Would you like to stick with that?
Yes. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip.
Now, let's get you connected to a network. That's apps and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Would you like to use that one?
No, the second one. No. Is it listening to me? I'm just trying. No.
Okay, how about this next one on the list?
No.
I'll stop guessing now. Go ahead and select the one you'd like to use.
She's just irritated with my answers. Okay, so I've put the password now. So I'm saying next. So see guys, it is
Mission accomplished.
mission.
You're all linked up.
Oh, cool. So I'm going to do next.
Now we have some important setting up to do. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
Yeah, we know Windows, we have to accept it.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Okay, so I have typed my email ID here to set it up, and I'm pressing next now. Oh, it is asking for the password. Okay, I don't want to sign in with Microsoft, but let me just use offline account and what it says.
You're about to set up an offline account, but I wanted to make sure you know Windows works far better with a Microsoft account. Do you want to do that instead?
As of now, no.
Type what you want to name your account.
Who's going to use this PC? Okay, so let me just type. That's the name. And now next.
Okay, now type a password for your account.
Okay. So I type the password, clicking next.
And one more time to make sure we've got it right.
Okay, now next.
Now you can set up 3 security questions to help you reset your password if you forget it. Choose the first question and type your answer.
I'm half dead. Okay, I have filled in the information. Now I'm gonna click next. Okay, yes, I want offers from HP. Contact option, warranty information. Yes. And next.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours.
No.
Looking forward to helping out.
Hi. We are getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Oh, in the meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll put this on charging. Okay, so this laptop is set up now. It's just... Oh, they are saying that I can get Dropbox 25 GB free space for 12 months. Should I go it for not? Okay, okay, I'll go for it. Okay, so when you go for it, we can't get you Dropbox right now. Search for Dropbox in the start menu to get started. Okay, get started with your new HP. Cruel world. So they are giving these offers: profile picture, play what you want and all. Now just close this. Welcome to the best Windows ever. Okay, I'm not interested in knowing as of now, but what I want is Chrome, and I'll set that up. Yep. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And if you really want this, I would say yes, you should go for it. Let me show you how faster Chrome gets downloaded at Spectre, which is this model of HP 360 degree. So just started, you had seen. Now download is complete. Installing. Now, oh, I'm tired holding this machine. Oh God. What's that? Yep. And make Chrome your own. Cool. Install now. Thank you. Okay, so now here I'm downloading Google Drive for Windows on the laptop Spectre HP 360, and see how fast is this. I agree, download depends on the speed of internet, but yeah, installing is pretty quicker. Installation complete. So let's say close.